Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Susan Gold TV. How are you doing? I hope fine. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing some of the conditioner I'm using to condition my daughter's hair. Okay, I have 3 girls and I'm making all of their hair, and I condition their hair before I make their hair. Like when I wash their hair, I condition it, then before I make the hair. It's very important for us to treat our hair very well before we make our hair. So that is why I decided to show this home remedy that I use to condition my kids' hair. Just watch and see. This is not the only one, and I use different home remedy for my kids, and this is one of it. All right guys, thank you so much. Bye for now. I'm going to be using medium size avocado, and I'll be using extra virgin olive oil. Then I'll be using extra native coconut milk. Then here is my bowl. I'm going to cut the avocado and remove the seed and remove all the avocado from inside. Put it in the bowl. I'm going to be using the full avocado because my daughter hair is quite much, so that's why I'm using the full avocado, so that the conditioner will be enough to cover the hair. So after removing the shell, then I just mash it a little bit, then put it in my blender. Then I have to microwave it for at least 1 minute to make it warm. After that, I'll take it out. Then I'll add 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil to it. So the same time I'm going to be adding the extra native coconut oil. Yes guys, this coconut milk, sorry guys, it's really nice. Like, you know, there's some coconut milk when you cut, you see some water inside. This one is organic. Like, it smells as if you are using pure coconut. So it is very, very nice. I got it from Afro Shop. So after adding the 2 teaspoons, I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute again, just to make it warm. So after that, I'll take it out. Then I have to blend it until it's well mixed. Now that I'm done with the blending, I am returning it to the bowl where I mixed it before. Yeah, just forget about the oil. Don't worry. So now I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of castor oil. Guys, we know how important hair is on our hair. Like, if you really want to have a healthy hair, what you really need is to always apply oil on your hair. So this is castor oil, which I got from Amazon. So castor oil is also good for our hair. So I'm going to mix everything together until it's well mixed. This is how it should look like before you start using it. Now it's well mixed, so it's time to start applying it on my daughter's hair. Guys, whenever I'm applying conditioner, you know, on her hair, she's always happy because she knows that now her hair will be soft. She will not be like fight a lot when we are making our hair. So she relax. When you're applying conditioner on her hair, she will relax and she know, okay, my hair is about to get even softer. And this thing is really good for our hair, and I'm going to allow it to stay for 30 to 40 minutes before I wash it out. Yeah, this is not leave-in condition, so you apply it, yeah, for some time, then you wash it out. When you're applying conditioner on the hair, you have to be doing it as if you are relaxing the hair. You know, you concentrate more on the scalp than the tip, because where the hair is growing from is from the down, from the root, not from the tip. Although if the tip of the hair is too weak, it can also stop hair from growing. But when you concentrate on the scalp first, then later it will go by itself to the tip. So After days, make sure you massage the hair very well and make sure all the edges and everywhere they are well covered. So this is just how we want it. So leave it for some minutes and you wash it. You will see, like, you don't need to wait to apply this thing for a week to see the result instantly. That's when you see the result. Immediately you wash the hair, you just see how the hair looks like. After the massaging, then comb it with a spacey comb. When you're done with the combing, twist it very big, like those four, just twist it, roll it, and cover it with shower cap. If you don't have shower cap, don't worry. If you have polythene, you can also use polythene to cover it. Just cover it until you are ready to wash it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever we drop a new video. So this is after we wash the hair. So this is how the hair looks like. So she don't even complain like, why me weaving the hair? So after you wash the hair, don't just leave the hair like that. Apply the oil you have. So I will be sharing very soon. I'll be sharing the oil I'm also using on their hair. So apply it and weave it or twist it whichever way, in a very big way, and leave it until you are ready to make the hair, and you will like the texture of the hair. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.